In a world where the holidays often rush past in glittering chaos, this Scandinavian Christmas home invites us to pause, breathe, and rediscover the beauty of simplicity. Here, elegance is not loud, it whispers through natural textures, soft candlelight, and the quiet romance of falling snow. Join me as we step into a place where festive warmth meets minimalist design, revealing how serenity can become the most extraordinary celebration of all.
Welcome to Creative Abode, where the art of design meets life. Explore unique architecture, innovative interiors, and inspiring spaces. Transform your home, discover new trends, and indulge in beautiful aesthetics. Let's create spaces that reflect your style, comfort, and creativity. Make yourself at home, and let your imagination wander.
Our journey begins outside, where the house greets us with clean lines and a soft winter glow. The facade is a harmony of crisp white and natural wood, framed by snow-laden pines. Lanterns cast gentle golden light over the pathway, guiding us closer as if the home itself is welcoming us to warmth. The wreath on the black-framed door is simple yet filled with seasonal grace, a promise of calm sophistication inside. This is not just a house, it is a peaceful breath wrapped in Christmas spirit. Step inside to feel the warmth unfold. The living room opens in a breathtaking display of cozy minimalism. Floor-to-ceiling windows pull winter's poetry indoors, while a muted color palette brings calm to every corner. A carefully adorned Christmas tree stands without excess, glowing with white lights like captured stardust. Plush textures, wool, linen, and soft fur, balance the sleek design, making it feel deeply lived in yet impeccably refined. Each candle flame dances quietly, filling the space with Scandinavian Hygge. But the heart continues deeper into the home. Serenity intensifies in the master bedroom. Here, sleep feels sacred. Neutral linens, layered in soft tones, invite you into a cloud-like retreat. A small garland of winter greenery adds a gentle holiday touch without disturbing the minimalist flow. Through frosted glass, the hush of snow brings silence and softness to the space. Warm lighting bathes the room, eliminating harsh contrasts and elevating rest as an art form. This is where elegance becomes deeply personal. Let's see where nourishment meets design. This kitchen proves that function can be beautiful. Clean white cabinetry meets warm wooden accents, balancing efficiency with soul. Light reflects off sleek surfaces, while holiday greenery breathes life into the modern simplicity. The aroma of freshly baked bread and hot cocoa lingers like a tradition passed down through generations. Here, every detail respects the balance of comfort and clarity, a place where memories are made without clutter. Above us, another world awaits. The mezzanine floats above the living room like a quiet observatory of home life. Soft throws, a book left open, and gentle Christmas garlands along the railing create a sanctuary for reflection. Looking down, the living room glows, a cozy scene framed like a winter painting. This space reminds us that celebration can be peaceful, that joy often lives in the quietest corners. Even serenity needs refreshment, onward to the bath. Minimalism truly shines where clarity matters most. Matte black fixtures set a bold yet graceful contrast against white tiles. A wooden vanity introduces warmth, while eucalyptus and candlelight turn everyday moments into spa-worthy ritual. The snow-blurred window ensures privacy but still brings nature's calm indoors. Here, the holiday decor whispers, reminding us that even self-care is part of the season. Let's return to the glow outside. Stepping back outdoors, the front yard transforms into a poetic welcome. Snow muffles sound, making every step feel like a secret. Pine trees sparkle with soft string lights, echoing the home's refined holiday charm. The architecture remains the star, high-contrast windows glowing like warmth held within glass. This yard doesn't shout celebration, it serenades it. And the exploration continues above the skyline. Up on the rooftop, winter feels close enough to touch. Blankets rest on minimalist seating beside a subtle border of warm lights. The snowy forest expands in every direction, silent, majestic, endless. Here, you can sip warm cider under the stars, letting the cold air remind you how precious warmth truly is. Creativity calls from within, the working space awaits. The working room is designed for clarity of mind. Light wood and soft neutrals encourage focus without pressure. A small pine tree brings seasonal joy, while the window frames a peaceful snowy scene that soothes between thoughts. Everything has purpose, nothing distracts. This is where ideas are shaped by calm surroundings and winter inspiration. Let's wander back to where gatherings are shared. The backyard offers a quiet retreat for celebration. A wooden deck contrasts beautifully with fresh snow, and a glowing fire pit warms cold hands and warm hearts. From here, the home appears as a beacon of comfort, its interior lights a reminder of connection. The balance of nature and design shines brightest in this tranquil space. This home reminds us that Christmas doesn't need extravagance to feel enchanting. With thoughtful design and quiet beauty, it transforms simplicity into celebration. In every room, joy lives in warmth, texture, and mindful detail. Scandinavian Christmas teaches us, serenity is the most meaningful luxury of the season.